Laguna has been awarded by the Presidential Recognition for its program supporting micro, small, and medium enterprises, or MSMEs. Dom Guerra has the details.
The provincial government of Laguna was recognized as an outstanding development partner at the Presidential Awards for Outstanding Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprises and Development Partner ceremony. The program Bridging Market and MSMEs, the Impact of Likhang Laguna initiatives by the Laguna Economic Development and Investment Promotion Office was the highlight of this recognition. According to Provincial Information Officer Christopher Sanji, this recognition will enhance Laguna's reputation and open more opportunities for local businesses. He added that the award will pave the way for more funding and support from various organizations. Under the leadership of Governor Ramil Hernandez, the province's 8-point development plan will continue to support MSMEs through grants, training, and other initiatives. These measures aim to sustain economic growth and bring prosperity to Laguna. This is Dom Guerra for EuroTV News.